Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video ay magluluto tayo ng hapunan. Ang ating ulam ay isda. Natay isda, tapos butangan nato og iprito sa nako ang isda, no. Nya butang nato diha sa around the corner para maluto po ng ato ang talong. Hapit naman siya maluto ang akong isda, so ako just butang diha. But ako ning habwaon ning ako ang talong, akong isda. Tangtangon na ko siya diha. Tangtangon na nato siya in maybe 5 minutes. So while it's cooking, I just put it aside. This one in the side talong. Yeah. I put it right there in the side. And then I'm gonna put some curry, panang curry, and 1 can of coconut. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I cook my panang curry fish. Yeah, madumi nating madumi yung ating kusina. Maraming kalat dyan, ano. So once na prito na natin mo siya, mag-chop taog or smash the garlic, and then we're gonna add the curry paste. Yan. Yung pagprito nito is like you just add whatever seasoning you want to add in your fish, and then you're gonna put in a pan. You just fry it. You prito the isda, yeah, the prito the isda. So I'm gonna get my tripod. Just give me a minute. So I got my tripod here, and here we go. I'm gonna take out the fish like this one. I put in a plate. So yeah. Just give me a minute. I have a new pan, so it's really easy to take out the fish that I put in here. Easy. I have a non-stick pan. Ayan. Taran! Very easy. Very easy to take out. You know, when you shop, you can find your favorite pan. Yan. I got this pan from Burlington. Oopsie. So, ayan. Natira na lang yung ating talong, no. Pwede ka na lang din magdagdag ng garlic dito. Diretso na yan. Diretso na yan, ano. So, I'm just gonna add more of my eggplant here. Just add my eggplant. And then I'm gonna smash some garlic. Yan, na-add ko na siya dyan. Yan, i-add na lang natin lahat yan, no? O, yan. Add everything. And then, paper. O, black pepper. And then, we're gonna add our coconut. O, yan. Finally. Just add over here. Ayan. Ina-add na natin yung ating coconut. The coconut nut is adding. Adding the coconut. I have rice right here. I think that's cooked. So we're gonna turn off the fire. So ayan na, nadagdag na natin yung ating coconut. Ayan siya, no. Once na-add na ninyo yung coconut, i-add ninyo ang inyong the curry. We get curry. This panang curry is good. So you try ninyo. The panang curry is really good for this kind of dish. But then, maybe 2 spoon, kahit 2 spoon lang. Hindi na natin takas-takas, basta marunong naman kasi ako isa. Ayan, mga dalawang spoon, it's okay. Ganyan, mga dalawa. Yan, tansya lang. I don't measure. Tansya lang. You can add if needed. Ganyan lang siya. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya. Lakas-lakasan nating apoy para maging malapot, mabilis ba? Kay wala na tayong time. I was doing shopping again today. Today, I went to Burlington. Do Christmas shopping. So, it's kind of late now. It's already 5 o'clock. So, ayan. So, lakas-lakasan na lang natin yung ating apoy, no? Para maluto agad yung ang atong niluluto. Ang atong niluluto. Ay, ginoo ko. Lami, kaya mag-Tagalog ba? Kaya ang atong niluluto, yun ba? Yahay kayo. Ang hirap talaga maging, maraming language ba? I speak like, saksak sinagol na. It's like, mix words. Na wala na nakakaintindi. Nobody understand my language. I'm red. Ayan, so you can add kaffir lime. And then cilantro. And then onion. Onion leaves. Ayan. Onion leaves. So, ito na yung ating onion. Ayan, may onion tayo dito. At ito yung ating cilantro. Ayan, cilantro. Cilantro yan. Siya. Tapos, may isa tayong medyo maanghang na sili. Yung ating dahon ng kaffir lime leaves or dahon ng lemon. Yan siya, dahon ng lemon. Or, ano ba tawag yan? Yeah, that's lime leaves, yeah? Yeah, yan yung ating So, yan yung hiwa-hiwain natin, no? Yan, hiwain natin na siya, no? So, ayan. Hiwain natin one more time. Ayan. If you like, you can just remove the seeds of this, but I didn't remove the seeds. So, it's a lot of seeds. That's okay. So, ayan na siya. Ilalagay na natin siya dito, no? Ayan. Hindi niyo makita. But, ganyan lang siya. Ganyan lang siya kadali. Ayan. Lang, papakita ko lang sa kanyo. Ayan. Ganyan na lang siya, no? Ayan. Tapos, na siya. Naglapot na siya, di ba? Naglapot na siya. Tapos, butangan niyo mo gamay asukar para medyo manamis na siya. Just add a little bit of sugar. Yeah. So, it tastes yums. Di ba? Lamay na kayo na. Atong tilawan. So, I'm just gonna add a little bit what do you call this? Parting haranga. Harang ka sa kwan ba? Harang siya sa ang chili ba? So I have some brown sugar here. Add a little bit. Yan, maybe half of that, just like that. And just add in there. And then add your fish. Add your fish. Or you can add a little bit of this to make some taste in it. Then mix it. Diba? Ganyan lang. Then add the fish. Oh, so ayan na. So you can just add whatever you want to add more. But that's it. That's it. Wala na siya. So that's our video for today. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa akong mga pagkabuhaton na video. Okay, bye-bye!